Governor Nyesom Wike relaxes lockdown in Rivers again for 6 more days, gives condition. Governor Wike has relaxed the lockdown in Obiakpo and Port Harcourt local government areas for 6 days. The new directives take effect from Thursday, May 21st. The Rivers State Governor, however, said all land, sea, and air exit and entry borders and routes into Rivers State shall remain closed. Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State has suspended the total lockdown of Obiakpo and Port Harcourt local government areas for 6 days, with effect from Thursday, May 21st. Wike, who spoke in an evening broadcast on Wednesday, May 20th, said the total lockdown will be restored in the capital city on Tuesday, May 26th. The Rivers State Governor said residents and visitors in the affected local government areas can now go out of their homes for their lawful businesses. However, Governor Wike noted that the relaxation of the lockdown only allows for free human and vehicular movement, the opening of limited businesses such as banks, supermarkets, shopping malls, and grocery shops. All land, sea, and air exit and entry borders and routes into rivers shall remain closed. Similarly, all open markets, motor parks, hotels, bars, nightclubs, in-service restaurants, and barber shop must remain shut down, he said. Religious gatherings of more than 50 remain prohibited. All public weddings, burial, and other social gatherings also remain prohibited. Private and commercial vehicles, including tricycles, must continue to limit the number of passengers to 2 persons only. Governor Wike also said that residents must wear face masks while in public space, warning that defaulters will be arrested and punished according to the law. He urged those who do not have anything to do outside their homes to stay at home and stay safe. That is the news reaching us from Rivers State. Remember, some days ago, Wike opened the lockdown, and now he's extending it again by another 6 days. It's a good one coming for Rivers people after so much have happened in the past weeks. That is the news. You can also be part of this by sharing your thoughts and your opinion with us at the comment section. Thank you.